How to sell on Wix. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get started with selling on Wix. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing you need to do to be able to sell on Wix, we're just gonna edit our site and we're gonna get started with our pre-existing site. Now, there are some templates that already have the Wix store integrated. However, keep in mind that if you actually want to be able to use all of the e-commerce features, which include being able to accept payments online, then you do have to upgrade to a business and e-commerce plan on Wix. So that starts at $17 a month on Wix. That is the business basic that allows you to accept payments, have plans and recurring payments, as well as link your own custom domain, remove the Wix branding. So that is something you do have to pay for before you get started with building your Wix store, or you can build your Wix store and then later on purchase the plan to just integrate your payment options. Now we are going to go ahead into our site development section and we're going to open up the Wix website editor to get started with actually editing our website and integrating e-commerce features within Wix. So it's really not that hard to integrate e-commerce features within Wix. A lot of people are worried whether or not it's difficult to set up. And if you're using Wix Store, which is, the application that Wix has built by themselves for e-commerce or integrative features, so, selling features, your checkout forms, all of that is included within that particular integration. Now, if you're selling already on a third-party platform and you want to link your products, that can be a bit more difficult. So I would rather recommend that you just add your products individually on Wix. Now, to be able to do that, all you have to do is open up your Wix website editor. Once you're in your Wix website editor, you're going to click on the My Business section on the left. Now, once you open up the My Business section on Wix, you will be able to see whether or not your template already has Wix Shop integrated. If it does not, you can go into the upper section, which is the Wix App Market. And once you go into the Wix App Market, you can go into the Sell Online section, and then you can click on Stores. Now, directly, you have your Wix stores over here, which is the top application, and you're going to click on this. And once you click on this, you're going to click on Add to Site. Now, in a couple of seconds, the Wix stores will be added. So it has multiple different pages alongside the Wix store because it has all of the items integrated within. So all of your mini cart buttons, your cart button checkout, all of that is included within your Wix store application. So we're going to let this set up itself, and then we're going to continue on with customization of our Wix store. So Wix Stores has now been integrated into our Wix website, and we can get started with setting it up. Now, the first thing to note is that some of the widgets might seem a bit off whenever you add, something new. So we do have to customize that a little. So I'm going to take the login bar, and I'm just going to take the header or horizontal menu over here. And what we're going to do is that we're going to unpin this element, and then I'm going to move that slightly inward so our login bar is pinned to the right, and then maybe like the card button is maybe the most on the right side of the screen. And then we can add our login bar for our customers. Some of the widgets just need a little bit of realignment. Now I can realign my actual header, and I'm going to move this back up a little. Now, this is our homepage currently, and you might wonder, okay, we've integrated the shop features, but how do we set this up? Well, it's very simple. We're going to, again, click on My Business on the right. And once you click on My Business, you're going to see Wix Stores. So once you see Wix Stores, you're going to be able to get started with editing this. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to set up our dashboard. So I like to go directly into the dashboard. It's easier to set up all of the individual elements once you open up your dashboard. So this just opens up your site dashboard where you can go into your store product and get started. Now, for some people, you can directly get started over here if you find that to be a bit too much. You can get started step by step. So the first thing I like to do is click on Setup Shipping, and this will open up each individual dashboard item. So we're just going to open this up, and as you guys can see, certain areas have already been added. So I'm going to turn this off, and I'm going to click on Add Region. So what region or what particular area are you offering shipping for, and what is going to be the cost of that shipping? What is going to be the time of that shipping? So let's say I have a flat rate of shipping, and this is going to be the standard shipping, and then the delivery time is 3 to 5 days, and then let's say the rate is 100. And now you can offer free shipping when a customer is buying over a certain amount. We're not going to do that. And then you're going to add the destinations on the top. So which regions are you offering this particular type of shipping to? So let's say our business is based in Canada. Now, even within one particular country, you can have multiple different shipping rates. So you can click on edit over here. And let's say I don't offer this kind of specific shipping rate. Maybe the shipping rate for certain areas is higher. So I can untick the Northwest Territories and click on done. And then it will remove that particular type, and you can click on add destination. Then you can search for Canada again, and you can add it in a separate region of shipping. So if the shipping rate is different. Now, below that, you also have local delivery and pickup options. So if you are providing local delivery or pickup, you can add those over here simply by clicking on add pickup, and then you can enter the address or the local delivery information over here. Now, once you have added this, just click on save. And once you click on save on the bottom, you guys can see our new shipping region has been added, and this has been turned on as well. So after that, you can even add your fulfillment service. So what kind of fulfillment options are you availing? What type of shipping? What type of channel are you using? It could be a particular type of order fulfillment service that is based in your region, so you can integrate that over here as well. Now, once we've set up shipping, we're going to add our payment method. And to be able to actually do this, you do need to upgrade to a payment plan, and you can just go into the payment section in your settings and you can integrate your payment. So you have two basic payment options such as PayPal and manual payments. And then you can click on add more payments to be able to add multiple different types of payment. You also have pay stacks as well as direct pay online. Now keep in mind that your payment options are going to vary depending on the region that you are present in. So on the top right, if you take a look at the location, it says South Africa. However, if I change my location to, let's say, Canada, the payment options are going to be different. So you guys can see we have the debit and credit card options, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and then AAA, Afterpay, Klarna, Bankful. So it really depends on the region that you are serving. Now, to be able to connect any payment systems, just click on connect over here, add the payment information. So let's say this is a cash on delivery option, and I'm going to click on connect over here, and just like that, this has been connected. So our manual payment has been connected. Although we can set our payment method up, you guys can see it's going to give you the logo of not accepting payments upgrade, because this is a paid feature on Wix. Now, once you've added your particular shipping method, you've added your shipping regions, it's time to get started with managing your product. So the first thing you're going to do is click on the top left, and you're going to open up your product page. So you have a product page and a category page, which are going to both be under your shop section. If someone clicks on shop, they're going to be led to your category page, and from there, they're going to be able to see your product page. Now, as you guys can see, this is a all products page. However, the alignment on this page is, it's all right, but I think I want to change it up a little. So for that, I'm going to zoom in. And once we go back in, I'm going to open up our category page, and let's say I want to change the image over here. So the first thing I want to do is I want to maybe remove all these sample products. So I'm going to click on manage products over here. And from here, you're going to remove any pre-existing product, and you can go directly into your Wix dashboard to add your own, but you can select all products, and what you're going to do is going to click on more actions and then click on delete. And now we've deleted the sample products, and then you can click on this image, you can click on the settings, and within your category page, you have multiple different types of layouts that you can choose. You have swap images, zoom, as well as the layout that you have. So how you want your products to be displayed, inline, top, as well as the breadcrumb section, the product display style. Let's say I want this to be the boxed style, so I'm going to change it to that. And I think this is all I want. I think I'm fine with the rest of the layout of the standard product. Now to change this section, I can click on the item over here. And what we're going to do is we're just going to open up our store product section. And I'm going to click on new product, and I'm going to add a new physical product. And once we add our new product, so we're gonna be led to this section. From here, you can start titling your product and adding images and videos of your product. So we're gonna open up our upload section and upload a image from our computer for our product. So let's say it's this blue purse. And now you can also edit the image. So if you want to crop it, adjust it, create a video out of it, or cut out, the background, you can do that as well. But I'm just going to add the product, and then I'm going to add the product information, inky bag, and then below that you have your product info. So if it's new arrival, on sale, a hot seller, featured, you can add that product ribbon as well. Let's say I want a new arrival section, and then after that I can add a description. Now on the right side you have categories. These are very important. What I like to do is I like to base my categories off of the type of product I want to show in my navigation panel. So usually when you hover over a navigation panel, you see two different segregations like dresses or tops or jeans, like that. So you can create multiple different categories. Let's say this is going to be crossbody bags, and you can create other categories as well. Let's say I want to create tote bags like this, and I'm not going to check this, but we're just going to add the category. And then on the right side you have marketing and SEO tools. You can also offer discounts by creating a coupon, as well as promotions and SEO settings. Then you have your advanced information, which is regarding your taxation and fulfillment. And then you can also add branding. So if you are selling products from other brands, or you have a multi-brand store, then you can add the particular brand that this product is by. Below that you have your pricing section. So let's add a price, and then you can choose to display a product on sale as well. So let's say I have added a 10% discount. Well, let's say we have like a 50% discount. You guys will be able to see this is going to be our original price, and this is going to show up as the sale price. And then below that you have a custom text field, which can help you in further adding more information about your product. Now below that you have product options. So sizes, color variations can be added in your product options. And then you have inventory and shipping options. So let's say I want to track inventory and I have 100 units in stock. You can also use some SKUs. And then after that, you can also offer subscription-based courses, but we're just going to focus on physical products over here. Now our product has been created, so I'm just gonna take a look at what the product is gonna look like in store. So I'm just gonna click on done over here. Let's refresh our page, and you can always just go directly into the Wix dashboard and then go into your product section to be able to see all of your products that you have, and to be able to add more products. It's a lot easier when you're doing it on your actual Wix dashboard instead of the website editor. So this is our home page, and let's take a look at our category or product pages right now. This is our product page, and you guys can see this is our bag listed over here. If I click on our product, so if I go into the product page, you guys will see this is what the product listing is looking like. If I want to display more information, let's say I want a recommended items section at the bottom, so I can click on add elements, and then this could be an interactive element, which might have, let's say we have a promotion, and then you can integrate items. So you can add a slideshow of recommended items or products as well. So in this way you can get started with building your Wix site and selling on Wix. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions or queries, leave those in the comment box down below. I would love to know what you guys have to say, and I will catch you guys in the next video.